Hi everybody. So here I'm going to show you a quick little video on a6 animation assignment. And so this assignment should be pretty lightweight. And on the coding side, you are just going to be implementing a single function, update transformations. And this should include your polar decomposition and linear interpolation on your translations and scaling, and spherical interpolation on your rotations. And so once you have filled that in, I want to show you what things should look like. So let's run this. We're going to be running on top of the Scene app. Alright, and we have provided you with a folder of scenes that you've seen in previous assignments. So that will be in data, scenes, animation, and so you'll have these. Test scene reflection is the one with the teapot and the environment. So, but here we'll just use the earth and show you some simple functionality. Okay. And so you're going to be using manipulators to drag around objects in your scene and create keyframes as you've applied these transformations using the manipulators, and then interpolating between your keyframes to create a complete animation. And so let's see how we do that. You can hover down at the bottom of the screen and you'll see your animation timeline. And you can add keyframes by pressing N. And so we'll perform a translation. You can navigate through this animation timeline by pressing your bracket keys. And then we can add a keyframe there by pressing N. Back. Let's add some rotation. So for rotation, something specifically to look out for, if you've done this correctly using your polar decomposition and spherical interpolation, then even if you rotate around the vertical axis 180 degrees, which has the potential to be a sort of strange case if you don't do this correctly, then so if you've implemented it correctly, you will not see any strange shrinking effects. But if you haven't used your spherical interpolation, you've just directly interpolated on your matrix elements, then you will see a shrinking effect. In fact, it'll look like the object disappears as you rotate through an angle that is parallel with your viewing vector. So that's something to watch out for. And we've asked in this assignment that you create an interesting animation which includes all your correct interpolations for translation, rotation, and scaling. Okay, so another translation, and add some scaling in here. we have a few keyframes there, and to run the animation, you just press your backslash key. And there you go. I'll run through the animation. Okay, and if you want to delete keyframes, you just navigate back using your bracket keys and press M. I'll delete all of them for you. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward, I think, and hopefully you agree with that statement. Hopefully you find this assignment a bit more lightweight, maybe more relaxing than previous ones. And so after you've completed your animation, then you can look up how to do a video screen capture on your computer and just upload that media file in your zipped submission. Alright, so if you have any questions, just post to Piazza and have fun with this.